So, all right, so let's kick things off with Daniboo. So, Daniboo, week after week, we provide a platform for our upcoming talent. Now, tell us a little bit about how you got started. Officially, like you're a dancer, and then you finally made the transition into being an entertainer. But tell us about your journey in music.
Really and truly, from dancing days, I saw myself as an entertainer because it wasn't just dancing. I also have my YouTube show, the Daniboo show, so I'm also a host.
Nice.
And I've always been a critique of music. When I hear that, me say, but him never did for say that, or that never lit the beat, or
Yeah.
So I've always loved music. So I know say,
Is your
eventually,
tea.
You'd have
I
got
would
it,
have
so.
done this. So
Yes.
it in the destiny, so
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
How would you describe your musical style?
Well, really and truly, it have to be the dancehall thing because that's where Daniboo I come from. Daniboo the dancer
Yeah.
is a dancer person. But I want to show the versatility. I not stick to the jump and skin out and the no.
Yeah.
I'm going to do what them not expect.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Nice.
love that.
We like
now,
that.
For our listeners right now, they're listening and they want to hear what Daniboo sound like. Give us something a cappella. Hello, lights,
Make we hear the
camera,
sound. Make we hear the song. On spot.
Hot gal out on the runway. Idiot gal better runway. Beer gal man I get tech way. Them a say me sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Nestle.
Jeez.
Man I say me sweet like Nestle.
Duh.
Beer gal man I get tech way. Man I say me sweet like Nestle. Fresh pan the scene like a new spot. Sweet like Wrigley's, throw that.
Hey.
Champion bubbler, throw that. Hot and a shot like a fuel Glock. What you see is what you get, yes I made this. Man I say me sweet like diabetes. One beat for me jump like diabetes. Yeah man I pray this.
Jeez and peace.
Hey,
Jeez
trouble.
and peace. That beat drum
I
something
think-
there a while ago.
I think Daniboo, I like your attitude and your flair. And
Thank you.
why don't you introduce your track and we can play it?
Yeah, we
Nestle.
want. Yeah, right now.
Alright. So this song is called Nestle. I'm very excited about Nestle because Nestle is something where the uptown hot girl them can take out them phone and snap to.
Yeah.
And the girl them I love jiggle up themselves like me. Can still jiggle up themselves and go on with themselves. A proper something hot girl out on the runway. Nestle.
Do it now, man.
Hey.
Drop it, DJ Brian.
Daniboo. Hot gal up on the runway. Eat that gal better runway. Beer gal man I get take way. Them a say me sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Nestle. Them a say me sweet like Nestle. Beer gal man I get take way. Man I say me sweet like Nestle. Fresh pan the sea like a new spot. Sweet like Wrigley's, true that. Champion bubbler, true that. Hot and a shot like a fuel Glock. What you see is what you get, yes I made this. Man I say me sweet like diabetes. One beat for me jump like diabetes. Your man I pray this. When me a back it up, fling it up, show him something in my know. Say him love the way me flick it like a domino. Jiggle it little bit, then my tip up on my toe. A Daniboo. Hot gal up on the runway. Eat that gal better runway. Beer gal man I get take way. Them a say me sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Nestle. Them a say me sweet like Nestle. Beer gal man I get take way. Man I say me sweet like Nestle. Sugar level up with me and when I level up. Shake and bubble up like see I mean them 7 up. Yeah this sweet when me about me rev it up. You know you love it when me cock it up. Sweet like cherry, the wine sweet like cherry. Everyone I come and chase like cranberry. The wine sweet in a dead and berry. I Daniboo me name no Acapella. Back it up, sing it up, show him something in my know. Say him love the way me pick it like a domino. Jiggle it little bit, then my tip up on my toe. A Daniboo.
No star. Daniboo.
Oh gosh.
Your delivery, your flow,
I
everything.
love the flow, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love the flow.
It's very dope.
It
Thank
bad.
you. That me
Yeah.
I tell you, man, me I tell you
Fresh.
the versatility, me I tell you something different.
Yeah.
Them kind of vibe there.
You know, so me hear it. Me see different flows and I like the direction so far. I like that song in particular. I mean, before we go any further, let us announce that we have a winner for the question we asked. We asked In 1999, where was Magnum launched? And of course, we have a winner. The answer is Magnum Tonic Wine was launched at the Cactus nightclub. The winner is Marshall Pottinger from Cascade in St. Anne. So congratulations to Marshall Pottinger.
Yeah, congratulations, Marshall. Now, Danny, talk to us about your management team. Do you have a management team? Who is behind Daniiboo?
I am currently signed to Bad Company, owned and operated by Scatterbarrel from downtown and Cecile, bad girl Cecile. So yes, a crazy something. The producer is Craig Parks, also known as Left Side.
Yes.
And same manager. I'm very appreciative of the team, may I tell you. Boy,
Very nice. You have a good
to
team.
work
Good
with
team.
the legends, may I tell you.
And people who believe in your talent as
People
well.
who believe in my thing and support me and make sure say, may I tell them I feel like a star before me even record a song.
We love that.
The team, man.
We love that.
And I think we have had before like dancers making the transition, and I think I could be wrong, but in my opinion, in my estimation, I think you are onto something grand. You're onto something big, and I would say this is a dancer making the transition, and it's believable. I believe that you can go to the next level.
I believe too, and that's why I think it will happen. Because you have a whole heap of dancer with try a fight, whole heap of people overall with try a fight. You have to really and truly have the support, and you have to want to do it. It's not easy, none at all. It's not easy. Sleepless night, Macadam can tell them sleepless nights, early morning, and them something that you have to really want it. And the team did it, and me I go just pull up the socks, tighten the cap, and make sure someone do it.
Tell us about your work ethics, though. How are you? Because you seem to have an understanding of what it takes, and one of the things that you just made mention of is you have to want it. But tell us about your work ethics.
As I said before, I love music, so this is something I want a long time, so I'm gonna do this. The work ethics are for really and truly. I'm not 100% in it as yet, because may I still be able to it. That's why I'm appreciative of the team that I'm with. So it's just for sake of myself, listen to the team, and follow the rules, do the right thing.
All right, so you have a team, which is very good. But I mean, do you have any musical challenges, like you said personally, these are challenges where you personally have moving forward?
Honestly, really and truly, I don't see myself as like the high tone singer. And as I said before, I want to do everything. I want to do a little bit of rap, a little bit of the singing there, a little something there. I want to conquer the singing part. That's what I want to do. That's my challenge. I set a goal there, and I go do it. One day I go hear one song and I say, oh, Daniboo, so good.
Them and I agree with you. Fully.
I absolutely love that, Daniiboo. Now, for persons who are listening and they're thinking, yo, me like our vibe, me like our flavor, me like our sound, I want to book her. How can we book you for an event?
Simple. The name change on Instagram, it was Best Topic Daniboo. It's now Daniboo. ADANIIBOO, Daniboo. And you can also look for me on YouTube. The YouTube channel up. Go and view my new single Nestle on YouTube. Just Daniboo. Easy. Facebook, Daniboo. Everything today.
All right, so they're strictly social media and YouTube, no contact numbers.
The contact number.
All of them
there.
on social
It's there,
media. I
it's
got
there.
you.
Once
All
you
right.
find it.
Cool,
Okay,
man. Check that out.
nice. And in terms of upcoming events, where can we see you perform? Do you have anything in the pipeline yet, or?
I actually don't have any vocal performance as yet. I finish up with my dancing performance. Them, I still have some dancing bookings.
Right.
I have Christmas bookings. I have.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I got
Sounds
events
good.
coming up Saturdays and Friday. Believe me, still
Nice.
at work.
Nice. Is there any dream collaboration that you'd like, any artist where I say, no, said Daniboo featuring or alongside or with this artist is going to be great?
Everybody's supposed to know say it's a Gaza nation, though.
Yes, see that, no. Yes, see that, no. All right, so you say it.
You mentioned Cecile and Scatterbarrel, and Cecile is a great entertainer.
Yes. Yeah, she is.
She's multi-talented.
Definitely.
Very.
She's managed to consistently reinvent herself and stay in the game. What would you say you have learned from her as a youngster coming in the thing and having her in your corner?
Really and truly, I don't think everybody get to know the real Cecile, because people always think of her as the uptown artist, where Cecile is so real and pure and humble. You see, once you grasp that, with that talent there, nobody can touch you.
See
And
that?
that's what she has, and that's what me have focused on right now. Be humble.
Humility.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up to Cecile.
Nice,
as
Daniboo.
always, yeah, man.
No, Daniboo, I'm telling you, I like you. I like your style.
Thank you.
Definitely.
And in terms
Yeah.
of Scatter as a producer as well, I mean, is there anything that he's always saying that, say, boy, I hear me, this is definitely something we definitely have to use moving forward?
Pertaining to Scatter though, one thing me can say about Scatter,
Yeah.
if no one you give up,
Yeah.
If you're going at the booth and you do the line there and feel like you do it good, Scatter now gonna make you feel in a kind of way, man. Make sure him to say, no man, do it until you get it, man. Yeah man, I eat that. No. I eat that, man. See them, mama. Yeah, man. That's the energy from the team, me I tell you, man.
Nice. Nice. We love
That's
that.
really good. That's really, and it's great when or new acts coming in the game can get this kind of support and nurturing.
Absolutely.
Because it can only get better when you have
That's
that
right,
that
that's
level of
right.
support.
It's a wonderful team feeling. I mean, when you have people
Right?
in your corner.
Together each achieve more.
Sweet.
Well, you're no novice to the industry because you are a dancer first and you've been in the game, you've been out there in the streets, so you know what's happening. As you make this transition into being an artist, what are some of your expectations?
What are some of my expectations?
Looking
from-
at the industry, like, making the transition, you'd have seen artists, you see how them grind, you see how them in the streets. You know that it's a rough game, it's rugged. It's not pretty.
I know it is. As I say, me I gotta stay focused and stay humble. As for where I see Daniboo in the next
5 years or so.
International, me I talk big things. That's why I want to keep myself focused.
Nice.
Focus, and you do the right thing, and you have good people in the team and veteran and them thing there. You just follow the rules. That's what me I pray.
And Danny, we
Alright.
definitely see you doing it, So
Yeah,
we're expecting
definitely.
big things,
Daniiboo is inside the EBuzz. She's our music artist. So much more to catch up with her. We also have Goya. Daniiboo, earlier you said that you're going to, you have some dance obligations that you have to fulfill. Now, after you have fulfilled those obligations, is it then full speed ahead as an entertainer, or you're still taking
Balancing, yeah.
bookings
For
as a
dancing.
dancer?
It's full speed ahead as a entertainer. But as an entertainer, girl I come from dancing, girl I for keep the performance popping.
Right?
Yeah. So girl have whole heap of gym for hit, for control the breathing and whole heap of thing like that and lose some weight. And I lost 22 pounds in
Yes.
the
Yes, see that
last
now.
2 months. So yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, man, come on, there for that team there
Go
too.
on the fruits, go on the
Something there.
fruits.
Yeah, man.
The
So
fruits
all
is
of them something
powerful.
there. Health is wealth, you know. So you got to be healthy for do all of them thing there.
Just
And
with
Danny,
that,
we definitely see
I
the...
lost 50 pounds.
See the
Wow.
man. Yeah,
One
wow.
week just with fruits.
Yeah,
Oh, where some
nice.
other-
And then I
nice.
had a lot of energy
In a week?
in a week.
In a week, so
With just
Wow.
fruits alone.
Maka in a week,
Fruits.
so
It's-
little bit
and it give you
still.
and then give you a lot of
Yeah,
energy on
that's
top of
crazy.
That want to be so.
that. And then
in
you
a
go on
week,
your
so little
protein
bit.
shake. Once you lose all what you want to lose, then you go on the protein shake, build muscles, and then you won't get those fat again.
And like Maka say, everybody, different. So
Right.
you don't know the
True,
thing work
true,
a little
true.
different still.
Right. So she will have to work on it and see what makes you feel better.
But we definitely, Daniboo, we definitely see that you're hungry for this. We see that you
Yeah.
really want to
Yes.
master your craft and get better at it. So
So your video is also out?
It's not out as yet. It finished shoot, it's editing, and one for something, and I'm extremely excited because a professional, nice, clean something.
See there.
Nestle video, I got clean shoot by J Will and all of them something there. So, no J Will thing and no play thing,
yeah, man,
right?
J will,
Yeah.
J will
Yeah.
thing
Yeah,
up,
man. Yeah, man.
All right, so
Alright.
we got one call online. Caller, buzz
But
through.
Oh, wow. 1 minute to go. Do we have a caller?
No, I mean, well, yeah. Yeah,
Alright, any
we're at the button.
final or
words.
uplifting words, Macadam, Goya, Daniboo, any uplifting words or final thoughts for
we start with
Jamaicans,
Daniboo.
your fans, family, friends, people around the world?
Yes, this is what I have to say. Stay focused, stay humble, stay true, and make sure say you don't have no negativity and no bad energy in your circle that
Real
drain
talk.
you.
Real talk.
Yes.
Proper.
Real talk.
Solid,
Goya,
solid.
your
Goya?
final words?
Yes, for me is my daughter now is in Spain, and I miss her a lot. And all my sacrifice is part of my daughter Maya.
Nice.
And I want to say to the woman, stay pretty, stay nice, and the men, be careful with the woman, be good with her, and happiness for around the world and respect.
Yes, and I just want to add to that, pani chocolate. Alright.
Pani chocolate.
Oh my God.
Maka.
Trust me. You know, I just want to say, Daniboo, I admire this interview with you today. I like this lady vibes also. Big up
Yes.
yourself. And what I like about Daniboo is that that's the word I always use, focus. And I hope you really stay focused because that's our stay. And I want the people out there in the world, stay focused, stay safe, you know, and start to eat up on the good food. Start plant back some food.
Real way.
Take off the food them off on the trees, start to pick them and eat them live, and take care of yourselves, okay? Love
All
you all.
right. I
Positive
absolutely
words.
love this vibe, love the energy. Ladies, it was fantastic. Thank you, Macadam and Goya,
Thanks for having
Daniboo.
us. You don't
Thanks for
know.
being absolutely early and so professional.
I'm
We
so
truly
in-
appreciate
we had
it.
so much
We're
fun.
going to go for a quick break, but we're not going to go to a break like that. So, Brian, we have Macadam. So, after the break, we're going to chat up with Maca. She's
For
here.
sure.
She has her cucumber.
We
but
have-
we're going to go to a musical break.
Yeah,
so
man, we have Daniboo, we have Goya, and
Macadam.
Macadam.
We're going to play a dusty rhythm.
Yeah, man.
And you're gonna
Well, like a collaboration
vibe.
to the
We're
break.
gonna vibe to the rhythm. So
Yeah,
DJ
man.
Brian,